blood is thicker than water. It's not true. Blood is not thicker than water nowadays, guys. Especially those people, family members, your sisters, your uncles, they are not happy because of your life you are living. They are not happy. Guys, most of the people, especially family members, they don't care about you, but they want to know everything you are doing in your life, especially when you are failing. They can get excited just because you are failing in your life. So they want to know everything. They are discussing about you, everything, especially those family members. So be careful about your family members, because sometimes you can say blood is thicker than water, a family, what, but are those people who are responsible of your failing? Because some of the family members, they are going to, guys, they are doing something, they are not sleeping, you understand? They want you to fall down. Your family, you are saying a family, what, sometimes you have to avoid, sometimes, especially in family gatherings. Don't eat everything, because, guys, be careful about your relative, your family members nowadays, because those people, they are dangerous. You can say it's my uncle, it's my auntie, but she is not helping because you are married. Maybe her daughter is not married sometimes.